So let's have a look at Rivian stock. So Rivian on Friday, well, on Thursday they reported earnings and stock gapped down. And on Friday in the morning, stock made a new low. It hit 92.62, but bounced a little bit of a relief bounce and closed at around $97, $98 levels. So what to watch from here? So I want to go back before we look at other stuff here. Let's go back 1 month, basically to the day when it went IPO. So when it went IPO, so you can see this is a 30-minute chart on November 10th. So stock pretty much opened at around 107, and that day, low a day, was 95.20. All right. And you can see the biggest volume was here. A lot of people were chasing it. A lot of people were having FOMO. Oh, I need to buy this stock. Maybe a lot of people even chased it to all the way to 170. And I said, well, give it a time. So a lot of people, especially like fund managers, experienced fund managers, they don't touch a stock when it goes IPO for about 200 days. They want to see at least 3 quarters of earnings and see what price does, and then start accumulating, and then they don't buy everything at once, right? So, well, here we are back to reality, okay? And I'm not biased, but if you look at the stock valuation, $87 billion for the company that haven't sold a single car yet, all right? But according to their earnings report, the deliveries will start in 2023. Well, we'll see if they're going to speed up on that or what's going to happen, but this is the technicals, all right? So before they reported earnings, look how much we were having, how long we were having this sideways move. It was staying in this range of 111 and all the way 120, killing a lot of premium, pretty much burning a lot of option call buyers and option put buyers, all right? Right after they report earnings, now maybe you will see, most likely you will see natural move because, well, there's not much happening. So there's not much to anticipate, right? Of course, they're going to throw some news here and there, but here's what I'm watching, all right? So let's have a look at this gap. So to the upside, I'm watching this stock, well, possibly fill this gap. All right, we had a big gap down. So if it moves sideways here and then tries to fill this gap and then comes back to down to this 95, I would watch this level as a pivotal support because if it falls below this level, this stock can go much lower. All right, because if you look at the volume profile, let's take a look at that. What's the average price, or what's the most traded price range? Well, we already looked at it, and you can see 114, 117. That's where a lot of people have an average, and that's where the most volume traded for the stock. All right, and also you can see now, well, excitement is much lower at these levels. I don't know if you were having a FOMO when this stock went IPO and you were like pretty much chasing it at 170. Well, here it is. If you loved it, if you liked it at 170, 150, even 120, you should love it here at 97, right? So if you think that you should own it at this level, well, look at the market capitalization again, 87 billion. They lost $12.21 per share that quarter. So another thing you should keep an eye here is 5-day moving average. Stock is below 5-day moving average. And also you should keep an eye on another thing is here at average true range. Stock has average true range of $13. So you can expect to move any day that much up or down. And if you also look at the option activity, well, implied volatility dropped. If you were trading it to the upside or downside, well, you probably lost money because implied volatility dropped, stock moved within its range, and now IV is 100%. It's still high for me. If you look at the January 2022, which is January 21st monthly expiration, stock is implying 104% IV, implied volatility, and it's implying $26 move. So basically it's saying that stock can move in the range of 24-25% up or down, which is very likely because stock has $13 range, $13 average true range, and that's a lot. So, and let's have a look at the put to call ratio. What happened on Friday? Friday we saw 112,000 calls were traded, 259,000 puts. Well, that's a significant change since I made the last video about the stock. Well, more people are buying puts now. Now you can see clearly that, hey, there are more put buyers than call buyers, because we were having same amount of calls and puts the moment it went IPO and it started going higher, and I said, hey, IV is high. Most likely those calls are being sold and puts are being sold as well, because premiums are very high. And well, those premiums got burned throughout the month, and now you should be a little bit patient if you are trading this stock with options. So I guess that's the video. I hope you guys liked it. In my opinion, this is not a bullish looking chart here, but it's at the support. All right, so I would like to see what happens at this 95. Will more people show up saying that, hey, this is at post IPO lows, I should buy it here, maybe I should edit here, maybe I should average down here? We'll see. So we'll see you in the next update. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.